Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to change screen timeout in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to change your screen timeout, so guys you can change. And guys, now let's see how to change screen timeout in Vivo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time. So first of all, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start the video. First of all, open your phone setting guys. Guys, click on display and brightness setting. And guys scroll it, and guys you can see screen timeout. So guys click on screen timeout. So guys you can change from here. Example for guys, I am telling you this 15 second. So I will click here. And guys now let's see guys, after 15 seconds guys your phone screen will off in your Vivo phone guys. And before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Friends, do you have any doubt with your Vivo phone, so you can ask me in comment section, I will tell you guys. You can see that it's going guys off screen, phone screen has off. So I hope friends you have understood how to change screen timeout in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching our video. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.